Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to record vendor bills and payments in QuickBooks Enterprise. Now, to go ahead and enter the vendor bills, so what you do, you come here, you click on vendors, okay, and then you click on enter bills, and in the vendor field right here, okay, you basically, select the vendor's name. So here we have different names, right? And then you can enter the other details like the date, if there's a reference number, the amount due. If you pick one, it will auto-populate a lot of the things, for example, address, amount due. So you can go ahead and, go ahead and pay for any amount that you want. You can add memos, things like that. And once you're happy with it, you can click on save. Really that easy. And then you will be able to record the vendor bills, payments in QuickBooks Enterprise. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.